Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change lightning or brightness of iPhone camera. So to be able to change the lightning or the brightness of your camera, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is to open the iPhone camera. Once you open the iPhone camera, then tap on the screen. Make sure you select the object, a specific object from the screen, or if there's no specific object, just tap on the screen. Then you see a capture of a sun icon. Just click on it, then drag upward, then try and click on the sun icon, then try and increase it, drag upward. Then with that you can simply increase the brightness of your camera or the lightness of your camera. If you want to do the same, if you want to break it down, just drag downward, then you can see. Then if you want to increase it again, just click on it, click on the moon icon or the sun icon, then increase, drag upward. Just drag in the line at which it moves. So, and that's how you can simply change the lightning or the brightness of iPhone camera. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.